How to fix WhatsApp notification not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix WhatsApp notification not working on your phone's home screen and status bar. Now for that, what you need to do is, first of all, you want to make sure that the notification is enabled. You actually want to go to your WhatsApp application, tap on the three dot icon in the top right, and you want to click on the settings. And what next you want to do is you want to make sure to toggle the button for all of these. This should be able to help you out. If not, you want to go to your phone settings, and what next you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and select notification. Go ahead and click on see all app and find WhatsApp, and whether make sure that this is toggled on or not. If this is already enabled and if you still face issue, then what you want to do is, if your phone has battery optimizer feature like low power mode or background app refresh, you actually want to disable or adjust them to allow WhatsApp to functionally properly. For that as well, you want to come to this WhatsApp, you want to come to the settings and go to battery optimizer, and that should be able to help you out. If not, you could also try re-updating your application. For that, you want to go to your respective app store. On the search box, you simply want to type in WhatsApp and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see an update, that could also be one of the potential reasons why the issue might have occurred. So you want to tap on the update and see whether it fixes your issue or not. If you have also enabled do not disturb, you actually want to disable it. You simply want to swipe down and you want to go ahead and look for do not disturb and toggle the button for that, and that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.